You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name, the name of this mountain or mountain from the Hebrew Bible. If you want to learn more biblical names pronounced, stay tuned, I've got tons more for you at the end of this video, pronounced rather simply in English as Mount Hor. Mount Hor. It's easy once you know, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.